Apple cider vinegar offers many benefits for your health and beauty. On top of restoring the hair's healthy shine, it also fights bacterial and fungal infections, making it excellent for eliminating dandruff. Today's video will discuss how to use apple cider vinegar hair mask as a natural conditioner to strengthen hair. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. Apple cider vinegar offers many benefits for your health and beauty. On top of restoring the hair's healthy shine, it also fights bacterial and fungal infections, making it excellent for eliminating dandruff. The hair care products that we call conditioners have been around for years and have earned an important place in many women's beauty regimens. Urge you to try apple cider vinegar as a conditioner. While shampoo cleans and leaves hair fresh, it needs to be complemented with a conditioner to protect and restore hair. During normal washing, excess sebum, dead cells, and the buildup from various impurities in the environment are all washed away. However, it leaves the follicles slightly inflamed and the hair susceptible to damage from free radicals and heat. Here's where conditioner comes in to provide the hair with essential nutrients to repair the damage. Luckily, it's easy to find and can be found in many different variations depending on your needs. However, for those who prefer to save money and use 100% natural products, there's a simple and effective solution that offers the same benefits and more. Ready to find out what it is? 1. Fight dandruff. Thanks to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar is an excellent way to reduce the presence of the fungi that cause dandruff. In addition, it provides soothing relief for an itchy, irritated scalp. 2. Restore the hair's natural pH. Changes in the hair's natural pH can cause problems like an oily or dry scalp. Unfortunately, there are many factors that can lead to this imbalance that makes hair look brittle. Vinegar rapidly restores the pH to natural levels between 4 and 5.5. 3. Retain the hair's natural oils. The hair follicles are crucial for maintaining the natural oils that keep hair healthy and shiny. The compounds in apple cider vinegar promote their renewal, naturally helping them to retain natural oils without causing other changes. 4. Stimulate hair growth. By applying it directly to the scalp, this ingredient stimulates blood flow to the hair roots, boosting their natural growth. It also eliminates the microorganisms that can negatively affect the hair follicles, essential for long, strong hair. 5. Heal split ends. Using this product consistently improves hair quality and reduces the appearance of unsightly split ends. How to make a natural conditioner with apple cider vinegar. In the first place, we need to point out the most benefits are obtained from 100% organic apple cider vinegar. It undergoes a different refinement process that perfectly preserves its vitamins, fiber, and trace elements. On the other hand, it does tend to leave a faint smell that fades. It will disappear as the hair dries. Ingredients: 1. 4 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. 2. 1 cup water. 3. 1 spray bottle. Directions: 1. Dilute the apple cider vinegar in the water and put on low heat for 20 minutes. 2. When ready, remove and let cool for 30 minutes. 3. Then pour the liquid into the spray bottle to apply. Application: 1. Wash your hair with your regular shampoo and spray your hair with the conditioner. 2. Gently massage into the scalp in circular motions. 3. Let work for a few minutes and rinse. 4. You can use it every day. Try to use at least 3 times a week for best results. If your hair tends to be too oily, you should make the conditioner more concentrated by adding a little more vinegar. However, it should never be applied directly to the hair without first diluting because it can be too harsh at full strength. Add apple cider vinegar as a conditioner to your routine and you'll notice your hair shines more healthily. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar hair mask as a natural conditioner to strengthen your hair? Let me know in our comments section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.